Fáiltearóid go dtí Let's Learn Irish. Is Misha Arj agus topic na seachtain inniu, mbaile, my home. Agus seoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Bakery, Bácús, church, Eaglais, city, Cathair, city council, Comhairle cathrach, community, Pobal, concert hall, Ceoláras, elementary school, Bunscoil, fire station, Stáisiún, grocery store, Siopa grósaera, high school, Ardscoil, hospital, Otharlann, Neighbourhood, Comharsanacht, public library, Leabharlann phoiblí, public swimming pool, Linn phoiblí, restaurant, Bialann, village, Sráidbhaile. I live in a small town. Tá mé mahoney in mbaile. I live in the area. Tá mé mahoney sa cheantar. I live in the surrounding area. Tá mé mahoney sa cheantar máguaird. I've been living here too long. Tá mé rófhada I mahoney anseo. I'm in touch with my friends back home. Bí me caint le máguaird sa bhaile. It's a far cry from my hometown. Is mór an jiffar idir agus má bhaile dúthais. You'll see the pub just before the bridge. Feici tú an pub díreach roimh an. The area is abundant in historical sites. Tá cheantar lean the Leabharlann Stáisiún. The area attracts a lot of tourists. Bíonn go leor turasóirí ag tarann sé an cheantar nó ar an gceantar. Bígí páirte a tharde. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.